Westermans with a Weldlogic CWT103 welding lathe. Can also be used as a manual TIG if required. You've got weld duration, timers, delays, overlaps, pulses, torches. Are manual torch at the minute, obviously would be fitted with a machine torch. This is purely to show the function of the machine working. There's a 3-jaw chuck fitted. System is also controlled on an air with tailstock and torch movement in and out of the weld area. More details can be seen online. We also have other welding lathes available from ProArc new systems if required. Thank you for looking.